shaking, sheets all twisted tight, cold sweat on her forehead, heart still in the fight. She saw that boiler room, rust and steam and glare, a man with a blade glove coming from nowhere. She tried to scream, tried to run, but the room kept closing in. Then her mother hit the door, saw the marks on her skin. Nightmare marks on my nightgown. Look, nightmare marks. He was there, I shook. Nightmare marks. Tell me what I saw. Nightmare marks. He cut through my dream wall. Mom said, baby, what is this? Fingers on the seam. Tina stared at the scratches like they came from a dream. But the hallway felt too quiet and the air turned thin. Every shadow in the house said he might come in. She tried to breathe, tried to pray, but the fear kept circling back. One look at those red lines and she knew it wasn't slack. Nightmare marks on my nightgown. Look, nightmare marks. He was there, I shook. Nightmare marks. Tell me what I saw. Nightmare marks. He cut through my dream wall. If I sleep, don't let me drift. Keep the bedroom light, 'cause that man's still in my head, and he owns the night.